What's up everybody, it's Andy here from CryptoComparo.com and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a deposit on the Beaxy Exchange so that you can start cryptocurrency trading. This video, along with others in the series, are designed to help newcomers understand the popular Beaxy Exchange and its functionality. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to deposit some funds into our Beaxy account in preparation for our $100 to Lambo 90-day trading challenge, which we're going to start tomorrow. As you can see, Beaxy already supports a wide variety of cryptocurrency, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Neo as well, and further cryptocurrencies are going to be added at different rounds, along with, they've said, a fiat trading pairs. So we're going to have USD and dollars to euros, euros to Great British pounds and such. You'll need to fund your account from another cryptocurrency wallet. This can be a personal wallet from the likes of Coinbase, Wirex. We'll show you how to do that in different videos, or you can use such things as the Ledger Nano or wallet from another crypto exchange. Which wallet you use doesn't really matter, but obviously you need to make sure that it's the same cryptocurrency. So for example, Bitcoin to Bitcoin or Ethereum to Ethereum. Now, there are various different fail-safes along the way and prompts when starting a transfer from one wallet to another. But if you do happen to get it wrong, it's extremely hard to track the deposit and reclaim the lost money. So always triple check the currency, make sure the wallets are the same before proceeding. Now, in the unlikely event you do transfer the wrong cryptocurrency, then you can try and contact Beaksy's customer support, but bear in mind they aren't liable for the missed cryptocurrency because it is your mistake. When dealing with cryptocurrency, you basically become your own bank. So I am the bank of Andy. Okay? Right, so in this example, I'm going to deposit some Bitcoin into my account, ready for our trading series, which, like I say, starts tomorrow, August 1st. I'll put in a link in the description or in the info card for that video once we start the challenge, and you can tune in and follow our progress. With that being said, if you are new to the channel, it's the first time visiting CryptoComparo.com, please give the video a like, that's the thumbs up, click the subscription button and go ahead and hit that bell button next to it. That will keep you notified of when we upload any new videos in the series, and you can tune in as well. Now first, if you want to, what you need to do, you need to go to the My Wallets button. That's in the top right hand corner here. You click on that. And in this My Wallet screen, you'll see a list of the available cryptocurrencies. These are the wallets that I've created. But to see a full list, you need to go and click on Create a New Wallet. And here you'll see a drop-down list. So you just click on whichever wallet that you want to click. So say we wanted another Ethereum wallet. We'll just click Ethereum. We'll give the wallet a name. So I tend to have a main wallet for trading, then I have a safe wallet. So I don't have a safe wallet for Ethereum at the moment on here, so I'll create that word as safe and I'll click add. Okay, now you'll see, you won't see this, but that's actually been added to the drop down here. So you just go ahead and click on the plus, and then you'll see the two wallets. So we have my main wallet for Ethereum, which is the default, and then we'll have the safe wallet as well, and you can switch between the two. Now to fund the wallet, what you need to do is you need to firstly select the correct wallet, and then by clicking on that plus icon, which we've just done, and then you go over to deposit here. Now if it's the first time, if we just click here, like here's here, it's the first time making a deposit to this specific wallet for that specific cryptocurrency, you'll be asked to generate an address. So you just, after clicking the generate address button, there we go, and you'll see a QR code, and then you've got your alphanumeric address as well. Now, so this string underneath here, this is your receiving address for that specific currency. Now you can use either of these to deposit funds from any other wallet. Now you can have up to 3 trading wallets for each currency on Beaxy. So like you say, I have a main one, which I will be using, and I'll be using the Bitcoin one for the challenge, which we'll talk about. And I have safe wallets to store coins so I don't trade them by mistake. Next, I'm going to send some Bitcoin over to my main wallet. For the purpose of this video, I've already sent 0.01 BTC. It's around about $100 at the time of this video, from my Coinbase account. For those of you completely new to crypto and don't even know how to buy Bitcoin, check out the video in the info card that's at the top right hand corner of the screen on how to buy cryptocurrency. So say we was going to deposit Ethereum into this. What you'd do, you'd either copy it that way, or you click copy address or use the code, and then you'd put that into your Coinbase, your Wirex account, or the like. What you want to check, you want to double check that the address is correct, obviously. So as we talked about earlier in the video, you want to check it's the right currency, so Ethereum to Ethereum, Bitcoin to Bitcoin. And what I tend to do is I tend to check the first few numbers of the wallet, and then the wallet address, and then the last few numbers of the wallet address. Each to their own. It doesn't matter how you do it. Just make sure before you click the send button from the other exchange or the other wallet that this address is the correct address. Now, once you've sent your funds over from your external wallet, you obviously have to wait for the transactions to be verified before you have the funds to trade with. Now, depending on the cryptocurrency that you're funding, Bitcoin can be quite slow, Ethereum can be quite quick if you pay a decent gas amount. It all depends. But if you want to check the status of the transaction, and obviously the number of confirmations it has, you can check this using a blockchain explorer, or by clicking on the transactions tab next to balances. So if we just cancel this here, you'll see this transaction tab here. You just click here. Okay, and here you'll see a list of any pending and completed transfers. So my 0.01 Bitcoin hasn't shown yet. It will show in here. But you'll see here completed transactions that I have done in the past. So you can see here Bitcoin deposit. So it's 0.01 there. That was done on there we go. That was done on the 31st of July. So that's already completed. So that's good. This means now that it got completed and confirmation on the blockchain was really quick. It now means that this 0.016 Bitcoin is ready to trade on Beaxy. So if we go back to the My Wallets page, click the balances, okay, and we click on my Bitcoin wallet, you'll see that the Bitcoin wallet, the Bitcoin there, the 0.0016, that's there, and that is in my main account ready to trade with when we start the $100 to Lambo challenge tomorrow. And then obviously to start trading, you simply choose a trading pair to get started, and that's it. So just to recap, in this video we covered how to make a deposit, how to check on its status, and obviously like I said, starting tomorrow, August 1st, we're going to be doing a $100 to Lambo challenge. Over the next 90 days, you can follow our progress, as what we're going to be doing is looking to turn $100 into a life-changing amount. Hopefully it'll give me enough money to buy a Lambo. If not, we fall short, we'll see. We're going to be using basic trading strategy, which ideally we want to try and encourage beginners to use the platform. We want to try and get more and more people involved in cryptocurrency and see that it is the future of money, and fiat currency it's just fake monopoly money. We're going to be doing legacy compound interest trading over the next 90 days. We're going to be doing arbitrage trading as well. So yeah, tune in tomorrow to see day one of the Lambo video. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video at all, learned something new, anything whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, please hit that like button. Also comment below, let us know your thoughts on Beaxy, let us know any day trading strategies you want to share with the community, and even where you guys have tuned in from, that's always good to know. And finally, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already done so, please remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications button next to it. Like I say, that's the little bell button which will notify you when we publish future videos, and you can keep up to date with our trading series and the like. But yeah, until next time everybody, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye guys.